Hello everyone, this is Shashank and now I'm going to show my seventh exercise of my database systems, and this is my PL SQL programming one using triggers and classes. Here rise an application error if a student tries to enroll the same course for more than one time. This is my question and this is my uh, spool file. Create or replace trigger T1. This is my uh, how to create my trigger before insert. Before inserting only from the inquiry, this is my table, and for every row declare code inquiry UR14CS316, and course code percent type used to be begin code. Select course code, join code from the inquiry UR14CS316 per course code equal to 10. If case is used here, and raise application error, uh, if already it's reached. Trigger has been created here, and insert insert into inquiry. This is my table number and values have been inserted here. Values have been inserted here, and into the inquiry, this is my table. Values have been given here. Another trigger 2, before delete on inquiry table name for every row has been declared here. Began if detecting, then tbms or this showing for output. Rows is declared deleted with course code. Trigger have been created here. Delete from inquiry. Write the procedure that deletes the student's record whose roll number is passed it, such that roll number is not existing, right, or no data found exception. Here delete from inquiry. This is my table number where inquiry number has been given. Row has been deleted with course code 10. One row has been deleted, and here trigger to delete the records in the enrollment table corresponding row. Okay. Next, create a trigger that will inform you to update the fees of the at last day of the current year. Create or replace trigger. This is another one is given before the update on batch number. This is my table as given for every row, and begin if updating, then dbms daughter you can update the fees of the last day of the current year only. End if and end trigger has been created here. Next one, create a cursor to display the average fees paid by for each course. Update batch, this is my table name, and set course fees equal to 6000 where course code equal to 20. You can update the fees at last day of the current year only 6000. One row has been updated here. uh, Here declare is given, and count number of 9, cursor equal to cursor c1 to select the average course fees from batch. Here this is my batch table number group by course code. Begin is given here. Declarations have been started here using begin. Open c1, fetch c1 into count. dbms dot out dot dbms out dot put underscore line. Average has been counted here, where count has to be printed. Close c1 and end. Average is 5000, which is given here. PL SQL procedure successfully completed. Next one, create a cursor program which updates the following. If enrollment is for two course, give discount of 2% from course fees. If enrollment of the three courses is give different discount of 3% from course fees for both the courses. This both have been done here, where select start from batch. This my table has been shown here, where batch code, course code, starting date, duration, course fees, and net income has been given here. And declare B code, batch code, enrollment. This is my table where dot batch code percent type. Cursor C2 is select batch code into B code from enrollment. This is my table name and roll number equal to this is given here. Begin open C2 loop, update the batch and set where the percent 2% is 0.2 into course fees is discounted here, and fetch C2 into the batch code. Exit when C2 percent is not found. The table have been modified here, and next one table is modified 101, 102, and 103. Here for, they have registered for more than two of them. Next one, to give 3% of discount. So my table has been seen here where uh, table has been updated, and it's shown here by giving the select start from batch. This is my table name. Select start from by table name is given where we can see the updated table here. Thank you. This is Shashank.